This is a beautiful HP. It is the NV family, Notebook 15-AS family, and has a 256 gig SSD, and we're going to now upgrade it with a Intel 512 gig NVMe SSD. So basically you'll need to remove a bunch of screws, so 2 on either side, and there is 4 underneath the long rubber ribbon at the top, and then there is 2 on the bottom. This is the SSD I will be replacing with, and I'm also going to put a thermal pad on top to help with the cooling. And here is the SSD. So basically what I've done is I've used an adapter to basically clone the existing hard drive across using this USB adapter. And as usual, I have used the free version of Macrium, which is downloadable for free for home use. It's a fantastic little product. I do recommend it. Bootable in the UEFI or the legacy modes. You do need to disable secure boot to boot from a USB. You can watch many of my videos where I show you how to do that. So here we go, let's do this. One thing I noticed is the battery is not fully flat. If you can see, there is a bit of expanded sections of the battery. So battery has become pregnant, which means there may be a leak. So the battery will not last as long as it used to. So that I do recommend changing the battery if you rely on the using the laptop outdoors more. So first, it's good to disconnect the battery to remove any power from the system. And while you're at it, you may see the fans a little bit dirty. Give it a good clean as well. It will help it run cool. And so simply that's the SSD there on the right side, which we're going to replace. As you can see, this is the Samsung model. Now we're going to replace it with the Intel model. So the old one is a 256 gig, this is the 512 gig. As you can see, the fans are very dirty. There's a little bit of dust in there, so I'm just gonna get a brush and give it a good clean. Blow with a compressed air. Now the fan is much more cleaner. We can now install our SSD, and I'll show you how I'm going to install a thermal pad to help with the cooling. It's really up to you, but I do recommend it. It will extend the life of it. Here is a big one I bought a long time ago, which I've been using for little projects. So I'm just going to cut a rectangular size, just a little bit bigger than what the SSD is, and just lay it over on top. We can now reconnect the battery. As you can see, the RAMs are on the top left. If you need to change them, this is the time. And that's nice and secure. In your case, you may want to turn the computer on, see if everything's working before you put the cover on. I'm assuming my cloning went successfully, so I'm just gonna put all the screws back, everything back there nicely, and then we'll see how it boots. Putting the back cover aside can be tricky sometimes, so you need to actually put it in an angle. So first the front end, make sure it's fully in, clips are all the way in, and then slowly work your way backwards. And you must hear the clicking of every little clip on all sides. It will actually hold in place really securely without even any screws. If not, then one of your clips are not in properly. So visually inspect, make sure it's all nice and tight, and then you may put all the screws back in. There we go, we got our Windows screen, we're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.